Good morning, YouTube. I was just heading out for a ride, but I wanted to show you the skid plate. I told you I was getting one, and there it is. It's the Acerbis, or HRBs, I don't know. Anyway, I think that's an awesome design. You know, they took the trouble to mold it to the components. Yeah, and it fits good. It's going to be plenty sturdy. So I quite like it. So that's going to hold up really well. I like it not only because it's thoughtfully molded to the bike, but it's also got air vents. I don't know whether you can see it there. It's got air vents there and behind. So a little more, a little effort to keep the engine with some airflow, a little cooler. It's a good idea. Yeah, so I think that skid plate's going to work really well. So I would highly recommend the HRB's skid plate for the 300L. And like I said, the fit was fine. Everything lined up, and they supply the bolts and inserts. And it's a nice tight fit, so it doesn't take up any of the ground clearance. Anyway, that's about all I got. I just wanted to show you the skid plate, let you know what I think of it. I haven't tested it out on any rocks or anything, but I'm confident just handling it that it's going to hold up to anything. Anyway, you guys take care. You ride safe, have fun, and I'll see you on the next one.